Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best bass drum spurs is probably one of the most underappreciated components of your drum kit, but trust me, they're essential. These little legs are the unsung heroes, anchoring your bass drum and preventing it from doing the cha-cha slide across the stage. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bass drum spurs, exploring what makes a good set, and helping you find the perfect ones to keep your kick drum right where you want it. Number 5. Drum Spurs legs for percussion instrument replacement. These bass drum spurs are made of high-quality steel, ensuring a long service life. The durable material means it can withstand the rigors of regular use, providing reliable support for your drum. Featuring an angle-adjustable mount, this allows you to customize the positioning of your bass drum. The skid-resistant rubber feet provide stability, preventing unwanted movement during performances. Installation is a breeze with this product. It's designed for easy adjustments, making it simple to install and remove. It's the perfect choice for drummers of all levels. With its professional and practical design, this is easy to carry and use. Its compact size makes it convenient for transport, making it ideal for gigs and practice sessions. This is perfect for replacing old or damaged parts. If your current bass drum feet are dirty or broken, this is the ideal solution to restore your drum's performance. What we like. This product features an angle-adjustable mount, allowing you to fine-tune your drum's positioning. The skid-resistant rubber feet ensure stability during play. If you're a gigging drummer who needs a reliable and easily transportable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The spurs are well-built and sturdy. They have a good grip on the floor. The spurs are easy to adjust. Number 4. Bass Drum Spurs legs, 360 degrees adjustable drum legs. Tired of your bass drum sliding around? These legs let you easily adjust the angle and height. It ensures your drum stays stable on any surface. The built-in rubber pads grip the floor tightly. This means the drum will stay in place, even during your most energetic performances. Replacing worn-out legs is a breeze. You can screw them into your drum's existing mounts in seconds. No extra tools are needed. Made with durable metal alloy, these legs are built to last. They can withstand frequent transport and long-term use without bending. Despite their compact size, they provide rock-solid support. They are easy to fit in your gear bag, making them perfect for any drummer on the go. What we like. This product offers 360-degree adjustability for precise drum positioning. The anti-skid rubber feet prevent slipping, even during intense playing. If you're looking for maximum control and stability on any surface, you should consider this. What people say. The spurs are well-built and sturdy. They are easy to adjust and stay in place during play. The rubber feet provide excellent grip on various surfaces. Number 3. DWDWSM2224 Clamp-on Bass Drum Spur System. This is the DWDWSM2224 Clamp-on Bass Drum Hoop Spur System. It's a great addition to your drum set. It's designed to provide stability and support for your bass drum. The system features a sleek black metallic finish. This not only looks great but also adds to the durability of the product. It's built to last. The package weighs only 1 pound, making it easy to handle and install. You won't have any trouble setting it up. It's lightweight yet sturdy. This product is made in Taiwan. It's crafted with precision and attention to detail. You can trust in its quality and performance. Upgrade your drum set with this reliable spur system. It will improve your drumming experience. Get yours today. What we like. This product features a clamp-on system for easy installation. The black metallic finish adds a touch of style. If you prioritize a sleek look and convenient setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The spurs are well made and sturdy. They have a good grip on the floor. The spurs are easy to adjust. Number 2. Baosity Bass Drum Legs for Percussion Accessories. Looking to upgrade your drum set? These bass drum legs are the perfect solution. They are designed to improve the stability and sound of your instrument. These legs are made of high-grade alloy material. This ensures they are durable and resistant to rust, providing long-lasting performance. If your current bass drum legs are worn or damaged, these are ideal replacements. They are specifically designed for bass drum percussion instruments. Installing these legs is simple and straightforward. You can quickly and easily upgrade your drum set with these essential parts. Trust in the quality of Baosity products. These bass drum legs are designed to meet the needs of drummers, ensuring a great playing experience. What we like. This product is made of high-grade alloy material, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. It is suitable for bass drum replacement parts. If you need a reliable and long-lasting replacement, this is a good option. What people say. The Spurs are well built and sturdy. They have a good grip on the floor. The Spurs are easy to adjust. Number 1. Pearl SP32BD Spurs. Today, we're taking a look at the Pearl SP32BD Spurs. These spurs are designed to provide maximum traction for your drum set. They are a must-have for any serious drummer. The package dimensions are 8.636 cm in height, 31.496 cm in length, and 17.018 cm in width. This compact size makes it easy to store and transport. It is perfect for drummers on the go. The package weighs in at a mere 4.2 pounds. This lightweight design ensures that it won't add unnecessary weight to your gear. You will find it easy to carry around. These spurs are engineered for maximum traction. This feature ensures that your bass drum stays firmly in place during even the most energetic performances. It provides stability and control. These Pearl SP32BD spurs are made in China. This ensures quality and affordability. The product is built to last. What we like. This product provides maximum traction for enhanced stability. It is made of high-quality material. If you like a product with maximum stability and quality, you should consider this. What people say. Keeps my kick nice and still when doing my solo blasts. Very sturdy and easy to install. Work great. Very high quality. Original Pearl product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.